Welcome to Dream Cars, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews, specifications, and features of some of the most iconic and beloved vehicles from around the world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply curious about classic and modern cars, we've got you covered. Today, we take a deep dive into the Toyota Cressida, a vehicle that left a lasting mark on the automotive industry with its blend of luxury, reliability, and performance. The Toyota Cressida was a premium midsize sedan produced from the late 1970s to the early 1990s. It was positioned as a luxurious alternative to the more common sedans of its time, offering a refined driving experience with advanced features. The design of the Cressida evolved over 4 generations, each improving upon the last with technological advancements and styling updates. The exterior was characterized by a boxy yet elegant look, with chrome accents and a well-proportioned body that exuded class. Over time, it adopted a more aerodynamic shape, adapting to the changing automotive trends. Under the hood, the Toyota Cressida was known for its impressive engine options, with many models featuring the legendary inline-6 engines. These engines provided smooth and reliable performance, making the Cressida a favorite among those who appreciated both power and durability. Some later models were even equipped with the same 7 MGE engine found in the Toyota Supra, giving them an extra edge in performance. The rear-wheel drive setup further enhanced the driving dynamics, making the Cressida a joy to drive, whether on city streets or highways. The interior of the Cressida was designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Plush seating, wood trim accents, and well-laid-out controls made it a pleasant place to be. It came with features that were ahead of its time, such as automatic climate control, power windows, and even an advanced sound system. Some models also offered electronic suspension adjustments, providing a smoother ride. The spacious cabin ensured that both the driver and passengers enjoyed a relaxed journey, making it an ideal choice for long drives. One of the standout aspects of the Toyota Cressida was its reliability. Built with high-quality materials and engineered for longevity, this car became known for its durability. Many owners report that their Cressidas have run for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues, a testament to Toyota's commitment to quality. This reliability made it a popular choice among buyers looking for a vehicle that could last for years without frequent maintenance concerns. On the road, the Cressida delivered a refined driving experience. The suspension was tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly while maintaining stability. The steering was precise, giving drivers a sense of control and confidence. Whether navigating through city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Cressida handled smoothly and efficiently. The combination of a well-balanced chassis and responsive engine made it one of the best driving sedans of its era. Safety was another area where the Toyota Cressida excelled. While early models had basic safety features, later versions were equipped with advancements such as anti-lock brakes, improved crash protection, and enhanced seatbelt designs. These additions made it a safer choice for families and individuals who prioritized security on the road. Despite being discontinued in the early 1990s, the Toyota Cressida remains a sought-after classic among car enthusiasts and collectors. Many appreciate its timeless design, solid performance, and potential for modifications. Some owners have even swapped in more powerful engines, transforming their Cressidas into high-performance sleepers. The strong aftermarket support ensures that parts and upgrades are readily available, keeping these cars on the road for years to come. For those looking to buy a Toyota Cressida today, it is important to check for common issues such as rust, worn-out suspension components, and engine maintenance history. Well-maintained examples can still be found, and they offer an excellent mix of classic charm and practical usability. Prices have been rising as appreciation for these cars grows, so now might be the perfect time to invest in one. The Toyota Cressida was more than just a car, it was a statement of reliability, luxury, and driving pleasure. Whether you remember it from its heyday or are just discovering it now, this sedan holds a special place in automotive history. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of legendary cars, make sure to subscribe to Dream Cars. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the cars that shaped the industry and captured our hearts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.